From morning 9 to evening 6, fully attach yourself with your work. Evening 6, detach from it. Forget yourself as a professional. You are a wonderful human being. Because as Warren Buffett says, don't feel that we are human beings on a short spiritual journey. No, we are actually spiritual beings on a very short human journey. 70-80 साल का ये खेल है, बिगाड़ मत देना. 70-80 साल का खेल है, बिगाड़ मत देना. So that is balance of life. How many minutes I have now? 5 minutes. Okay. So this is the balance sheet of life that you need to take into consideration. और ऐसे महान संत प्रमुख स्वामी महाराज आज अभी हमारे गुरु है महान स्वामी महाराज, और बड़े बड़े संतों ने अपने जीवन में से बताया है और जीवन में गौर करके बताया है कि जीवन में भगवान में श्रद्धा को भी प्राधान्य देना, भगवान की भक्ति, भगवान में श्रद्धा, भगवान को प्रार्थना और नाम स्मरण को भी प्राधान्य देना. This not because I am a saint that I am talking to you. I am a man of science and a man of spirituality both. More than 50,000 papers have been published in national, international seminars. How faith in God can make you a good professional, can make you a good human being, can you make you a good relative or a friend. Not by man of philosophy and man of religion, by man of science. Someday बात करेंगे. I can prove you the existence of God logically and scientifically by this research of 50,000 scientists. मेरे पास 500 से ज्यादा पेपर है. एक छोटी सी रिसर्च आपको बताऊं. How faith in God makes you a complete human being. आप यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ पेंसिल्वेनिया की वेबसाइट पे जाना, वहां डॉक्टर एंड्रयू न्यूबर्ग और डॉक्टर एच.जी. कोइंग का एक एक्सपेरिमेंट है, वो आप पढ़ना. I'll talk you absolutely scientific. They got together 4,000 people from across North America of all age groups, across caste, creed, religion, nationality, और एक एक्सपेरिमेंट किया. Before the start of this experiment, all these 4,000 people's minds were done MRI and mind mapping by special psychoneuro softwares, ताकि उनके पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड क्या हार्मोन सीक्रेट करते हैं जब वो टेंशन में आते हैं, अच्छी अच्छी बात करते हैं या हंसते हैं या भगवान का नाम स्मरण करते हैं. चेंजेस इन द सीक्रेशन ऑफ हार्मोन्स ऑफ डिफरेंट ग्लैंड्स ये साइकोन्यूरो सॉफ्टवेयर्स पकड़ सकते हैं. इट वाज एन साइंटिफिक एक्सपेरिमेंट. So it was done, their files prepared, and then they were asked to sit on the floor in the Indian sitting posture, in the meditation posture, close their eyes and chant the holy name of God for 12 minutes. 3-4 बार ये एक्सपेरिमेंट करवाया, फिर बोले कि आप घर जाओ. 8 वीक तक ये करना. 8 वीक के बाद आप वापस आना. They came back after 8 weeks and they were again made to sit in the Indian sitting posture. 12 minutes of chanting the holy name 2-3 times done. Again by psychoneuro softwares, their mind mapping and MRIs were done. And the conclusion report you can see on this website. The conclusion report reads that those in the age group of 4 to 12, by this chanting the holy name, they had 15 to 19% increase in their memory power. Isn't this a big advantage for the children of that age, 4 to 12? The second age group was 12 to 22. The psychoneuro softwares, they suggested that this teenagers and youngsters, they had 9 to 15% increase in their willpower and confidence because of chanting the holy name. Third age group was 22 to 60, mostly most of us that we are sitting here today. They had the advantage of 15 to 23% increase in their buffer capacity, that is capacity to absorb shocks of life. क्योंकि जो भी झटके आते हैं इसी उम्र में आते हैं, 22 से 60 में, पर्सनल लाइफ, फैमिली लाइफ, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में. 9 to 15% increase in your buffer capacity. And the last age group was 60 to 80, the old age people, retired people. They have